Says draw a graph of the straight line 3x minus 4y is equal to 12 using any method. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use two different methods. First method we're going to use is using the intercept method, which is probably the preferable method when it's written like this. So for the x-axis, y is equal to 0. So we put here y is equal to 0 and we get 3x minus 4 times 0 is equal to 12. Obviously 4 times 0 is nothing, so we end up with 3x is equal to 12. Dividing both sides by 3, we end up with x is equal to 4. That means the line will pass through the point 4, 0. So draw a set of axes. Remember to label the axes x and y. And my line passes through the line at point 4, 0. So put a point here. Now, reason I put y is equal to 0 because here along this line y is equal to 0. Y-axis, x is equal to 0. This line here, x is equal to 0. So we go to our line and then put x is equal to 0. So we're going to get 3 times 0 minus 4y is equal to 12. We've got to be careful because when I do 3 times 0, I'm just going to be left with minus 4y. Don't forget the minus sign. To get minus 4y is equal to 12. We're going to divide both sides by minus 4. So we're going to get that y is equal to minus 3. Remember, 12 divided by minus 4 is minus 3. So the line will pass through the point 0, minus 3. So it'll pass through this point here, 0, minus 3. Take my ruler, join these 2 points up, draw a straight line, and make sure we label the line 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. Right, the other method is use the gradient intercept method. This requires you to rearrange the equation of the line. So we've got 3x minus 4y is equal to 12. In this method, we are trying to get it as rearranged to y is equal to mx plus c. So the first thing I'm going to do is take 3x from both sides. Again, I've got to be careful with this minus sign here that I leave it in. So I've got minus 4y is equal to minus 3x plus 12. Now what I'm going to do is divide both sides by minus 4. So dividing by minus 4, we got that y is going to be equal to, now minus 3 divided by minus 4 makes 3 over 4. And leave it as a fraction. And then 12 divided by minus 4 is minus 3. So that now means that m is 3 over 4. So the gradient is 3 over 4. And the y-intercept will have coordinates 0, minus 3. So drawing my axes again. So start here with the y-intercept. So you mark on the point here for the y-intercept, which is 0, minus 3. And then a gradient of 3 over 4 means for every 4 units along, you will go up 3 units. So going along 4 units, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and then up 3 units. Take great care over the scale of your axis. Here we're okay because we have even scale. And then put a point at that point and then join the line up with a ruler. Label it, don't really need to label y is equal to 3 over 4x minus 3. You should perhaps label it in its original format. So this has been a video to show you how to draw a straight line graph using two different methods. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.